our EVS session. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are absolutely good and doing your work properly and taking care of yourself at your paces. So children, which chapter is going on? Chapter number 7, Teeth and Tongue, right? And in the live session, I teach you how to draw incisors, canines, premolars and molars. I hope everyone did that in their notebooks also. And I have got the reply from Vansh, and one is Devansh. Vansh from section C, right? And Devansh from section B. I got their notebooks pictures and you all are doing great. आप सबने अच्छे से ड्रॉ किया है. I hope बाकी सब भी कर रहे हैं. So children, in notebook work today we will continue that we have completed in the previous week with the keywords and very short question answers and one short question answers also we have done. So today we will continue with the short question answer. So there is one more short question answer. Now write here short question answer and question number 2. We are starting with the question number 2. Now question number 2 is, what is a dental floss? What is a dental, what is a dental floss? Dental floss क्या होता है? Yes, what is a dental floss? It was our keyword also, right? Dental floss. I hope many of you know the answer if you are reading this chapter properly and listening me carefully. So children, what is a dental floss? You know, dental floss is a string which is used to remove the food particles from between the space of the teeth. So now write this with me. What is a dental floss? Question is this. Now answer. Write a dental floss. A dental floss is a string. It is a string like a thread. Dental floss is a string that is used. A dental floss is a string that is used to remove the food particles. That is used to remove the food particles from Now कहाँ से remove करने के लिए? From the spaces. You will just go and look in the mirror. There you will see in your teeth there is some space between them. आपके teeth में कहीं ना कहीं बीच में space है, तो in that space food just stuck और उस food को निकालने के लिए we are using dental floss. It is a string that is used to remove the food particles from the spaces between the teeth which can not be done by brushing on. Which cannot be done by brushing only. सिर्फ ब्रश करने से सारे particles, food particles हमारे माउथ से नहीं निकलते हैं, टीथ से नहीं निकलते हैं, because there are some space between the teeth and टीथ के अंदर जो space है उसमें क्या होता है, वो जो food particles है वो stuck हो जाते हैं और that places our toothbrush नहीं पहुंच पाता है. Okay, so for that dental floss is very useful for their things. A dental floss is a string. It is a string that is used to remove remove the food particles. PARTICLES So this was about the question number 2, giving you few seconds to write it. Then we will start with long question answer. Yes, okay students, now after the short question answers, make a heading of long question answer. Long question answer. If you are having space under the short question answer, then you can start it from there also. Long question answer. There are 2 long question answers we will do today. So first question is, what are the functions? What are the functions? What are the functions of the following? Names are given of the following first is incisors. What are the functions of incisors? Second is canines. Then third is premolars. And the fourth one is molars. So in this question, we have to tell the function of each kind of teeth, like incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So we are starting the answer now. So children, as I gave you in the homework to draw the structure of these, and I said you to write the function also. And so I know many of you know better about their functions, but still we have to write this here also. Now firstly write here the functions of following are. So now we have to write one by one about, like firstly we will write about incisors, then about canines, then about premolars and then about molars. So see, the first one is incisors. So make a heading here, incisors. INCISORS, incisors. Now, what is the function of incisor? Yes, incisors are the teeth which are used to cut or bite food, right? So we'll write here, these teeth, write it in your good handwriting everyone. These teeth help us, these teeth help us to cut and bite the food. And bite the food. These teeth help us to cut and bite the food. So children, write it fast. Then I have to erase this, giving you few seconds to write it. Okay students, now after this we will write about the second kind of teeth, that is canines. So make a heading of canines here and we'll write about the canines. So what is the function of canine? Canines are used to tear the food, right? These teeth are used to tear the food. So write about it. These teeth help us. These teeth help us to tear the food. To tear the food. Yes, again, what are canines? Canines, what are the function of canines? These teeth help us to tear the food. So these are also known as tearing teeth. In इनको टीयरिंग टीथ भी कहते हैं. Then next is about the premolar. Premolars. So now everyone write about premolar. Make a heading of this premolars. What are the functions of premolars? Premolar teeth. These help us to crack the food. Right? So right here. These help us to crack the food. Right? So it works as a nut cracker also. It works as a nut cracker, and these teeth are also known as cracking teeth. Again, what are the functions of premolars? These help us to crack the food. Then next about the molars. Make a heading of molars. Now molars, what are the functions of molars? Molars are used to grind the food. So right here, these help us to grind. These help us to grind the food. So how many total teeth in our mouth? There are 32 permanent teeth, right? But if we are talking about a little child, they are having set of 20 teeth. Okay? Do this, then we will do question number 2. Yes, everyone. Now write question number 2. So question number 2 is, what are the harmful effects? What are the harmful effects to tooth decay? Harmful effects to tooth decay. So students, write this question. What are the harmful effects to tooth decay? Tooth decay से क्या क्या ऐसे harmful effects होते हैं that we have to tell in this question. So firstly write the harmful effects. The harmful effects to tooth decay are so the first point is you will write here foul smell from the mouth. Foul smell from the mouth. Okay, now what is foul smell? If you will not brush 2 or 3 days, then you will feel some smell in your mouth. That smell is foul smell. Okay. Then after this, second point, foul smell from the mouth, that is first. Then second is holes or cavities. Holes or cavities in the mouth. Holes or cavities in the mouth. Cavities हो जाती हैं, holes हो जाते हैं जो हमारे teeth के अंदर. That is just because of the tooth decay. Holes or cavities. Spelling of cavities is when it is just because of the tooth decay. Then the fourth point is loss of teeth. So it is about the loss of teeth. Loss of teeth, like teeth falls and it will not replace with the new one now. It is just because of the tooth decay. Then the fifth is stomach disorders. Stomach disorders. It creates this some problem in the stomachs also. In the stomach also. So tooth decay creates the problem in stomach also. So these are some harmful effects just because of the tooth decay. Again repeating, what are the harmful effects to the tooth? Harmful effects to tooth decay. The harmful effects to tooth decay are foul smell from the mouth, holes or cavities in the mouth, toothache, loss of teeth, and the last one is stomach disorders. So children, that is all for today. Write it fast, then I will give the homework. Okay, I hope you all done this. If anybody left, I will send a PDF file on Google Classroom. You can check it from there. And homework of the today is you have to do the given worksheet of this chapter. I will send the worksheet of this chapter and you have to do that. And that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.